Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable taskbar end task option on Windows 11. So first you need to open your start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu you need to go to privacy and security. Just tap on for developers option. In this menu you have to scroll down and you will be able to find end task option here. You need to toggle turn on. But if it is available if you are using 23H2 version on Windows 11. If you are not using that version, you have to do it using registry editor. To do that, you need to close this one. Then after go to search bar, type registry editor. You can see it is right here, just tap on it. Tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you need to go to HK current user, double tap on it, double tap on software option. Then after scroll down and double tap on Microsoft Office option. Again scroll down until you find Windows option. Okay, double tap on it like this. Then after double tap on current version. And then after scroll down and double tap on Explorer option. Then after finally double tap on Advanced option. In the right side menu, you have to find Taskbar developer setting. Scroll down and you can see there is a no key like that, so you have to right click on the empty area, go to new and revert 32-bit value. You have to name it as Taskbar in task like this. Then after double tap on it, set the value as 1. This is how you can enable taskbar end task option on Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.